Hi, I'm Rob with FLIR. You're likely watching this because you're convinced acoustic imaging can help you find leaks and other issues quickly and easily. But now you have to decide which one to choose. Do I go with the Si1-LD or the Si2-LD? Let's answer that question by first discussing the similarities between the two systems. The SI series are all made for one-handed use, which creates less strain on the body and leaves a free hand for holding onto guardrails. The FLIR Si series of acoustic imagers are the simplest to use acoustic cameras out there. The FLIR True AI finds issues easily, quickly, and with certainty that is unmatched. Both quantify leaks in leak rates, money, and CO2 equivalents, both on camera and in both software tools. Another thing that both products enjoy is our digital solutions. These include our organizational account management and tool fleet management capabilities. With these unique FLIR tools, reliability leaders can easily organize data gathering and sharing and know which tools are sitting on the shelf unused or are in need of a firmware update. FLIR over-the-air tool updating capabilities make it super easy to keep your acoustic camera updated with the latest features. A perfect example is now all existing Si2 users have a new feature we added in April of 2025, the ability to perform a manual bandpass tuning. All you have to do is update your firmware, a process that's trivial with OTA updates. FLIR provides both online and offline software solutions for analysis and reporting. Our offline solution, FLIR Thermal Studio, allows both acoustic and thermal imaging in the same report, which helps understand mechanical and electrical equipment issues. So what's different? Well, there are some performance differences. The Si1-LD has a frequency range of up to 100 kHz and has 96 microphones. This produces a minimum detectable leak rate of 0.01 liters per minute at 2.5 meters, or around 8 feet. Whereas the Si2-LD has a frequency range of up to 130 kHz and 124 mics. The resulting MDLR is 0.0032 liters per minute, which is around 3 times the sensitivity of the Si1. This means you can find smaller leaks at longer distances with the Si2. It also means being able to distinguish leaks better in noisy areas. If you have a variety of gases, you should choose the Si2, which can quantify a large number of compressed gases. But more importantly, most plants have pumps, motors, conveyor rollers, and other mechanical equipment which ultrasound can be used to detect and measure issues early. Using ultrasonic imaging to quickly find these needles in the haystack gets time back for maintenance staff to fix things, which lowers maintenance costs and improves plant safety and productivity. Finally, you definitely need the Si2 Pro if partial discharge measurement is part of your inspection tool needs. Electrical equipment exhibiting arcing, tracking, or corona requires attention, and the Si2 Pro helps detect, measure, and monitor degradation trends. Inspecting for these issues before opening electrical cabinets may even prevent an arc flash incident, which may cause serious injury or even death. Now that you know the similarities and the differences between the two, it's time to ask yourself one question. What is it I'm trying to accomplish? What reliability issues need to be solved in my facility? Are your energy bills creeping up, increasing production costs and eroding your margin? Have you added compressors without increasing your compressed air requirements? Do you lack the time and maybe the expertise you need to conduct a full compressed air leak survey using traditional ultrasound tools? If your needs start and stop with these issues, then the Si1-LD is probably your best choice to address these issues with amazing return on investment. However, if your needs run deeper, if you have conveyor rollers, motors, gear reducers, pumps, and other mechanical equipment that also needs inspection, if you need to inspect electrical assets for arcing and other partial discharge issues, then you will be better off with an Si2-LD or Si2 Pro. Thanks for watching. To learn more about the FLIR Si series of acoustic cameras, visit FLIR.com.